So let's talk about eyebrows, okay? I've changed my brows. I tend to go back and forth with different products, but today I'm going to be using Eye Method Beauty Natural Brow Pen. So you can purchase this pen on Amazon if you want an eyebrow that's pretty natural. It kind of looks like you did, I would say, microblading. This would be something that you would be interested in. It's very natural looking, it's very easy to apply, and we're gonna get into it. I feel like I look like Crackle Barrel because I'm having an eczema breakout right now. We're gonna take the marker. Use this as my eyeshadow base. So what I like to do is take this and apply a bit to the back of my hand, and then I get a nice brush like this. This is a 242 by MAC, and I just like to use this because I want my eyebrows to be as sharp as possible, okay? Once you have applied your Crease base to your eye, you want to make sure you blend that out. So then I'm using this fluffy brush by Real Techniques, and we're just going to blend that out. guys, so that just about sums it up for this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a great time recording with you guys. Till next time, laters. There will be a discount code for the eyebrow pen down below. I will put it in the description box and also in the comment section, so you can purchase it at amazon.com. okay, if you enjoyed, see you later.